Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today, I got a heavier topic than normal because I am personally going through a lot, but my family is also going through a lot as well. I don't want to get too deep into it. It's not the purpose of this video. I wanted to go through some thoughts that I've been having recently on the events in question. So, my family has been going through some illnesses and some losses recently. And personally, I've also been overwhelmed with some financial challenges. And again, I'm not looking to garner sympathy or anything like that, but a combination of all of those things between the overwhelmingness of my financial situation, not so much the lack of money, but the abundance of bills coming in at the same time, with the other side to that being the family events that are happening, as I said. It makes me think how small my current challenges actually are. Yes, they feel like a lot in the moment, but in the grand scheme of things, what are they really? On my end, it's a handful of bills, to say the least. For my family, it is the literal loss of life. And one of the things that I wanted to take note of specifically was how finite things like bills, things like money, things like material objects really are. And yeah, you could say the same thing about memories and things like that, to be quite honest. But it makes me think, if I spend the rest of my life working and simply just paying bills, right? I'm gonna lose my mind. Not even because I have a particular problem with working or having a job or having a business or doing anything I can to contribute to society or whatever that really means anymore. But the fact that I lived X number of years on this earth and I didn't enjoy a damn minute of it. Why am I talking about this? Because quite frankly, I think a lot of gig workers, and I talk about this every now and then. I seem to be talking a little bit more recently. But I think it's especially important during the holiday season where everyone's going to look at the holiday season like, ooh, that's a lot of opportunity to make money. And you're absolutely right. Don't get me wrong. But don't forget to enjoy your time. Don't forget to enjoy your life. If you want to spend time with family, spend time with family. If that's valuable to you. If you're the type of person that's like, oh, I don't really like spending time with my family, don't do that. We have too little time on this world to not enjoy that time. And I get it. You got bills to pay. You got a family to feed. You got a bunch of other obligations you got to get to. I get that. But don't do yourself the disservice of not making sure you make the most of it. Whatever that looks like for you. Honestly, that's all I got. I know a lot of people want to go see Pedro DoorDash Santiago and More Finances live tonight, so by all means, enjoy that. Today was just a really heavy day, and I wanted to get stuff off my chest. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.